My cabinet came in finally from Harbor Freight, which is great. My 2-week order only took about 2.5 months. It's gonna go on the side of the toolbox. Give me a little bit more storage space. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the Corvette out. It'll just give me a little bit more room to work with, make things a little bit easier. Oh, the interior to the RX-7. I've got the shelving on this side, the drawers with the top here. I'm gonna put the cabinet on this side over here, so then everything will shift over here. I'll move these cans out over here, relocate the jack, the floor jack. But first thing, let's get the Corvette out of here and make some workable room. There's a box underneath it, or a flat piece, so we're gonna pull it out with it.
So we're pulling it out and standing it up?
Sliding it down.
So it's flat on the ground?
No, it'll go down at an angle like this, and then it'll go like this. Okay, let's go ahead and let it start tipping and sliding. And of course, it's in upside down.
I saw you guys are putting the...
Yeah, I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Okay. I think it's upside down. So we're gonna...
Okay, flip.
Yeah, flip. Sure. So maybe let's go that way.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, onto the ground.
Okay,
and then we'll go one more flip. Awesome. And then maybe just push this off. And then, let's see here. Yep. I think that's the right way. Let's see if we open it. Oh, I guess I probably need these.
Nice cabinet.
Thank you, thank you. Yeah, I think that's the right direction. And then, do you want to help me hang it real quick?
Sure, why not?
Yeah, okay, cool. I'm Robert, by the way. Mohammed. Hey, thank you very much. So like these hooks, and it'll go on that side.
Okay.
But I may have to lift up the top half of the toolbox to make it happen.
Sure, no problem.
Okay, okay. You got it? So I'll let you slide this in, and then it'll hold it in the air a little bit.
No problem. That's enough?
Most likely. Yep, that'll work. Yeah, there's hooks on both sides.
Okay.
So
we have to, these hooks, where supposed to go?
Right here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
On the sides?
Yep, on the side.
Okay, got it.
Yep. I'm gonna put it on my foot real quick. Okay.
Okay, what do I do? Because
this will go there.
Do I lift up my bottom?
Maybe. Let me open it up again real quick, and I'll use that as a way of gripping.
Yes.
Yep. Oh, that's a good idea. Yeah. I can't see. Are we high enough?
Yeah, that's enough. Then move it forward a bit, this way.
Which way?
This way.
Oh, towards you? Like that?
Yeah.
Let me.
This side okay? I'm not from the back.
I'm looking at it. They're good. Yep.
From the back too?
Yeah. Yeah, there's 3 of them, and they're all 3 on. And then I'll slide it back a little bit. like that.
Oh, yeah.
And then there's probably, I would assume, yeah, there's a bolt hole that matches up here to the side of the toolbox.
Tie it up?
To tie it up, yeah. Awesome. Thanks.
No problem.
Thank you very much. It's very helpful.
That's it?
Yeah, that's it.
Is it sure?
Yeah,
right,
I think so. Thanks again, Mohammed.
Have a good day.
Current status update. After Mohammed helped me, I had Molly come out here, kind of help me kind of dial everything in. I made the mistake of missing the back hook on this. And Mohammed even said, "You got the back one?" I said, "Oh, yeah. And then when I went to go bolt it up to secure everything, I noticed I missed the back hook. So luckily it was pretty easy. I had a pry bar. I lifted up right here, gave me enough clearance that I could wiggle it on. So Molly and I were able to handle that. Now it's a matter of cleaning up my mess, getting everything situated. I had these cans and this jack over here, and I knew I was gonna lose that space, and I just gotta find a new home for it. I have all my boxes, everything tossed and stuff like that, but I am gonna keep this stuff, the little pallet, the cardboard that came with it. I'm gonna drop it in the back of the Gladiator, and my buddy Andrew, who lives out in the country, he loves to burn stuff, so he's gonna be having happy days when I bring this over to him, and he can, do a little fire action. That was fairly easy. Got the box where it goes, got my seat set up where it belongs, car's back in place. Found a new home for the floor jack. So just parked it right over here. Put my cans over here. They may move, but they're gonna work there for now. I don't like how cluttered this is. And the garage is starting to get a mess again because the interior out of the RX-7, and then the workbench is a mess. Chairs that are gonna be heading up to Boy Scout camp for my son who's up there for the next 10 days. But yeah, RX-7, we gotta get that interior back in there. Just getting the new cabinet set up in the toolbox. That's gonna be a real nice addition. It's gonna allow me to get a lot more stuff off of the floor, off of other things that are supposed to be workspaces. The cabinet's gonna be a big feature that helps me accomplish that. So I'm really happy about that. It was pretty easy. Shout out to Mohammed, my new neighbor that I didn't even know I had, that saw my wife and I taking it out of the Gladiator and was more than happy to run over and give me some assistance. So shout out to Mohammed. That was super nice of him. And as always, hit the like button. If you haven't, subscribe, leave me a comment. I'm always happy to reply. If you got suggestions, questions, comments, general nonsense, I reply to that too. So anyways, Rob's Garage.